guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Ships and Port. Today's news: Indonesian Navy submarine KRI NANGGALA reported missing. Indonesian Navy, TNIL, Type 209/1300 class submarine KRI NANGGALA, 402, is reported missing in waters north of Bali after it missed a radio check-in. Xavier Vavasseur, April 21, 2021. The submarine was taking part in a live-fire torpedo exercise this week. According to local media report, the commander of the Indonesian National Armed Forces, Air Chief Marshal, confirmed the early media reports. KRI NANGGALA, 402, went missing around 3 a.m. local time today, about 95 kilometers north of Bali, presumably in a 700 meters deep trench. There are 53 sailors aboard. Indonesia Armed Forces are deploying several air and naval assets that have underwater capabilities to support the search and rescue operation, including 2 submarines and MPRV, multi-purpose research vessel KRI Spica, 934. Indonesian authorities immediately requested assistance from Singapore and Australia. The Republic of Singapore Navy and the Royal Australian Navy both have dedicated submarine rescue vessels. The Republic of Singapore Navy and the Indonesian Navy signed an arrangement concerning submarine rescue support and cooperation back in 2012. According to AIS data, Singapore's MV Swift Rescue has already set sails from Changi Naval Base. Both Type 209-1300, Kakro class submarines of the Indonesian Navy, KRI Kakro and KRI NANGGALA, were built by Germany's HAL Altswerke Deutsche Werft, HDW, TKMS, in 1981. They have a length of 59.5 meters, an underwater displacement of 1,390 tons, a test depth of 240 meters and an endurance of 50 days.